to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Katie and I'm so glad to have you here. Hit that red subscribe button so you never miss a video from me, and while you're down there, do me another solid. You should turn on my post notifications because, as you all know, YouTube has been making some changes and not everyone is seen in subscription boxes anymore. So just to make sure you guys never miss a video, make sure you turn on my post notifications. I would really appreciate it. So yeah, this video I am bringing you guys how I style my hair like this. I posted a picture yesterday on my Instagram stories of this selfie. I'll leave it right here. I got a couple DMs from girls who were saying we need a hair tutorial, so here I am. I'm bringing you a hair tutorial. Thank you guys so much for requesting this video. I really had fun filming it. I love just like sitting down, sharing with you guys a couple of my favorite hair products. And this tutorial is actually really good for extensions. Also, I'm currently not wearing extensions, but because, little secret, I have a product here that I really don't even need my extensions. I was wearing extensions for a little bit for like volume. The length is the same as like my normal hair, so the extensions weren't for length but for a little bit of volume. But I found a miracle product. I won't share it with you yet. I will share it with you guys throughout the video. But it just gives you a ton of volume and I just don't even need my extensions anymore. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this hair tutorial from this to this, then just keep on watching. Okay, to start out, I do have, this is like all I do need to address. This is all my real hair. No extensions. I do sometimes use extensions for volume. The extensions are like the same length as my hair, so really there's like really no point, and I have been using this product that like gives me amazing volume, so extensions are really not essential for me. I really have like really long hair, so I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do my like super just like laid back beachy waves. I can usually do this hairstyle within 10 minutes. It's super easy. I only use 2 products, and I'm gonna share the curling wand that I use. And so first, to start out, I always use a dry shampoo. No matter how clean or dirty your hair is, I always just recommend a good dry shampoo. It's just gonna give you a lot of texture in your hair and everything like that. My hair is like 3rd day hair today, I believe, so I need this dry shampoo. But the dry shampoo that I use and love, this is the Not Your Mother's Beach Babe texturizing dry shampoo, and it smells like coconuts. It's perfect for the summertime. To all the products that I am using today, I will have them linked down in the description box, so you can check any of them out if you are interested. And then this one also, I have like pretty I guess like a medium brown shade to my hair, so this doesn't leave any white residue as long as you like shake it up really good before you use it. So yeah, I love that, so I'm just gonna give this a really good shake. So basically all I do, it's probably a good idea to have a mirror somewhere over here. So basically I just kind of pull up my hair and just make sure that this is really good and shook up. So I'll just spray it towards the roots, just kind of all over. And then this is gonna just give you like a ton of volume and just like texture. I love it, and it just smells so good. It smells like summer. So then I take this brush. This is this is by the brand Wet Brush, but it's like a boar bristle kind of brush. I love this for, like I use this like for my roots, to really just like blend in the dry shampoo. So this is my favorite brush to use. I kind of go like that, like at the root, and then it just makes sure that the dry shampoo is just like really getting into your roots, if you know what I mean. So first I go through with this brush because it kind of like, it doesn't really like tug on the like tangles. And then I go in with my regular brush to get like the rest of the tangles out. And then as for the wand that I use, this is it right here. It's by Numi. I believe that this is the 1.5 inch or 1.25 inch. I will figure it out and leave the exact one that I use down in the description box. But this is the one that I've just been using for so long. It's the best, it's my favorite, and I love that it doesn't have the clamp, so you can just like wrap your hair around the barrel, and like it's just so easy to just like wrap it around, keep it for like 5-6 seconds, and then you're on to the next one. So yeah, I've been using this for a while and I love it. Anytime I curl my hair, it's with this baby. It's my favorite. And so now we're just going to get to curling my hair. Usually curling it, I like to kind of keep it more of like a center kind of part in that vicinity. I'm not really about like super like neat and like I like more of like a messy kind of look with my waves. This really isn't like curling tutorial because I don't really like my hair too like curled and like uniform. I like my waves to be like messy and not so perfect, if you know what I mean. And I don't section my hair either. I just kind of go about it like this. My hair is pretty thin. Like I have like a lot of hair, but the texture is pretty thin, so for me, I don't really need to section my hair. But if you have like super thick hair, I would highly recommend to just section your hair off. Just kind of like take this like top section and then just do like the bottom section first. So I usually start kind of back here, and then I take kind of big chunks. I'd say that this is like 2 inches worth of hair. I just kind of take it, run my fingers through it, make sure it's all combed out and everything. And then I take my wand upside down and I just wrap it away from, sorry about that cord. I just wrap it away from my face, and I leave a good, like, I'd say like 2 to 3 inches of hair out on the end. That's just really going to make it just look super beachy and not so perfect. So then I leave it like 5, 6, 7 seconds, and then I just kind of let it drop, and then I kind of hold it in my hand like this for a second, and then I throw it to the back, and that's basically it. I'm going to show you like 1 or 2 more, and then I'm just going to speed up through this side because you guys kind of get the point. But same thing, 1 to 2 inches. And just wrap it away from your face. And then I leave like 2 inches, 3 inches of hair out on the end. And I just kind of hold it here. And I kind of like, before I let it drop, I touch like the hair up here and make sure that it's nice and steamy before I let it go. And then I'm gonna go ahead and speed up the rest of this half, so it's not just like super repetitive, if you know what I mean. Oh, and I forgot to mention, throughout this whole side, actually like both sides, I always do the hair away from my face on both sides. I just feel like that is the most flattering for me, and it makes it look somewhat lived in and kind of beachy. Okay, now for the bang area, I just kind of pull it up like this, and I just wrap it. My bangs, I like them to be a little bit looser, so I only hold them for like 3 or 4 seconds, not the whole 5, or just like until the root section up here gets a little bit warm to the touch. And then I missed this piece, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. So that is this side done. I'll just like speed up this side because I basically do the same thing as I did on this side on the other side. And then I'll like show you guys what I do to kind of just like get it less perfect, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna go ahead and finish off this side. So that is both sides done. I just like to like pull up the hair and like look in the mirror and make sure that it's all, I got all the hair curled and everything, so we're not missing a couple spots. So this is what it looks like right after I curl it. So now the product that I use is called the Full Dry Volume Blast by Living Proof. This is literally my favorite product ever. Like seriously, the volume and the texture that you get with this is just like unreal. And I like cannot curl my hair or like wave my hair without this. Like I have to have this product. I've been using it for so long and it's just like so perfect, and all of the reviews that I've read and everyone who like uses it and talks about it seriously loves it. So I really, if you're gonna buy anything in this video, let it be this. You will not regret it. It's so amazing. So yeah, basically what I do with this is after I get done curling my hair, I just kind of take my hair and just bring it up like that. I just kind of bring up the hair and just like drop it as I spray, if that makes sense. Like that. Does that make any sense? I don't really know how to describe what I'm doing. I just like let it fall as I'm like spraying it. I like let the hair fall as I'm spraying it. But I just like focus this mainly on like the root area, and like just look at the difference between like this side, like all the texture and like messiness, and this side is just like way too perfect for my liking. I like more of like a messy look, as I've said 5,000 times in this video. And this product just gives you a ton of just volume and texture, and I love it. Give me all the volume. I need it all. And then I just kind of take it and spray the ends also. Air it out. It does smell really good. It's just like kind of strong, if you know what I mean. I do the same thing to the back. Make sure I get all of those areas, and then I just kind of bring it to the front. Fruff it up a little bit. Fruff is not a word. Fluff, I think that's what I was trying to say. But yeah, basically most of the time I just kind of leave it like this. I like it how it looks like this. But for like the bang area, I like to take a teasing comb like this one. I just got this at Sally's Beauty Supply store. Anyone can shop there, and they have a ton of these little brushes. So this is what I like to tease my hair with. I usually just kind of tease the like front bang area, because that's the area that like tends to fall flat pretty fast, pretty quickly. So yeah, that is like basically it. That is all that I do. That is this hairstyle that I wear so often. It's so fast, but it is also like, you just look super put together. Like, even though it's a little bit messy, it still just looks like you tried. You know what I mean? Yeah. That is the tutorial. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. To you girls who DM'd me and told me to do a video on this look, thank you so much. If you guys have any requests on videos that you want to see from me, you can DM me on Instagram. I see my DMs like first, or you can just leave them in the comments of this video. I also see those. So yeah, that's that. If you guys are interested in any of the products, don't forget, I will have them all linked down in the description box for you guys, so you can check them out. I'm trying to think, do I have anything else to tell you? I don't think so. I think I covered everything. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. It really means a lot to me. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll leave Instagram right here. I'm super active on there. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. It really means a lot to me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!